What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today, I want to get into the technicals of TSMP. I've been telling you guys we were due for a correction, and today we are having that correction. And I want to get into the technicals and figure out where we're going to have this bottom for a potential dip. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So that being said, man, let's just get right into it. TSMP, we finally have the red day. It is down 13% right now from the highs. As you can see, the position I had purchased yesterday. If you watched the video from yesterday, if you haven't, please go and do so. But I purchased a small position, another 8,000 shares when I seen it holding strong. Which you can see right here. I bought the dip here, and then I sold it into this morning. I was sensing weakness and the uncertainty of whether or not we were going to finally have a nice red day, a nice correction. So I sold it. I tried to make a quick 150 profit and sell it in the 49s. And then we kept getting a drop, so I just hit that sell the market order just to get out of my position. So winded up with a little over $90 profit on that, and then we had a nice tank right after that, and then continued dropping. It's looking like we're forming a base in the 41 area, but for me, it's still too early to tell. So I'm not gonna repurchase my position just yet. I'm going to give it some time to play out. It is still early in the market. It is only 10 o'clock a.m. So the market's only been open for about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. So, you know, I still want to see this thing play out. It potentially might have a curl. It's looking like it, but it's still too early to tell in this intraday chart. And then because of the fact that we are now having this drop, you know, like I see here when we had a run here, 2 days of red, it had a run here, and then we had a gap down before a pop. So I kind of want to just give this a little bit more time. It is natural to have a correction like this after we've had a huge run from the 14s to the 50s. I mean, that's well over a 200% run. So, you know, it was due for a correction, and I seen it coming. So, you know, I anticipated this, and this is exactly why I say risk is important. Because for me personally, if I was still holding, yes, as an investment, you're obviously not taking a loss if you don't sell your position. But for me personally, I don't like to see a fluctuation of down 13% because, you know, that's hundreds of dollars. And you know, if I had more shares, it would be thousands of dollars down. And I don't necessarily like to see that. So I just decided to exit my position this morning, wait till I see that solid base, and I'll be sure to capitalize on it when I see a base that I'm comfortable with repurchasing this thing. It's looking like we're forming a nice base over 41, but then yet again, it's still just the first red day, and we did have this massive move, so we can potentially have another red day tomorrow. It is very possible, and if we don't and it curls, and I see strength tomorrow, then I'm definitely a buyer in tomorrow to try to capitalize on that move. But TSMP, man, it's been having this beautiful run, and it's due for a correction. So, you know, this is nothing to be concerned about. You know, this is typical in the stocks. We have red and green days, and that's just what it is, man. So for me personally, I had sensed it coming, so I sold my position, and now I'm just waiting for that right time to repurchase it, and I'll be sure to capitalize on it when I see it. So just a quick update on TSMP, guys. Nothing to be worried about. This is average. This is normal. You know, red and green. It happens, man. So leave a comment if you made it this far, man. Let me know what your guys' thought process is on this. Again, man, if you did make it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You can't stop. Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So TSMP having its first big red day after this nice huge run. It is natural. It happens. Will we have another one tomorrow? I do not know, but I'll be sure to watch out for it. And as soon as I feel a comfortable base, I'm definitely buying back in. So that's going to be it for today, guys. And I'll be sure to keep you updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.